Hello friend, if you're using Fender Studio Pro and you're struggling to get your mixes to sound polished, punchy, and professional, then this course is for you. Welcome to Mixing in Fender Studio Pro Made Easy. This course is a complete step-by-step mixing course built specifically for Fender Studio Pro. And yes, it also works perfectly if you're running an older version of PreSonus Studio One. Here's what makes this course different. We mix an entire song together from start to finish in real time. No summaries, no shortcuts. No, here's what I did earlier. You'll see every EQ move, every compression decision, every routing choice, exactly how it happens. And we're doing it only using the plugins that come with Fender Studio Pro. That means the stock EQ and compressor, the Fat Channel, and the brand new Studio Reverb, and we'll even reamp guitars using the new Mustang and Rubble amp plugins. No third-party plugins, no extra purchases, just the tools that you already have in Fender Studio Pro. And here's the best part, you'll receive the full multi-track session so you can follow along with me step by step as we mix together. Plus, I'm including my EQ frequency guide, my basic guide to compression to give you a rock-solid foundation. And as an added bonus, you'll receive 2 additional full multi-track sessions so you can practice your new skills and build real confidence in mix on your own. If you're new to mixing or you've been at it for a while and feel stuck, this course gives you a clear, repeatable process that you can use on every project. By the time you're done, you won't just understand Fender Studio Pro, you'll know how to mix confidently inside it. If you're ready to stop guessing and start mixing with a proven system, join me inside Mixing in Fender Studio Pro Made Easy. Now let's get to work.